This year, many big bike makers introduced a number of motorcycles in the Indian market. Well, Ducati itself introduced the new Scrambler 1100 range in India. But it's the Monster 821 that really deserves the crown of the sport bike of the year. Well, the Monster 821 has always been famous for its bullish character, and the new Monster only takes forward all these traits in a nice manner. Well, the Ducati Monster has always been the brashest character in the room, and in a pond of middleweight sports bike, Monster, like its name, has been an unforgiving and brutal creature which simply cannot be ignored. And you can always check out my review of the same by clicking in the link below.